What's up? How's it growing? We are here to cut a tree down today. I got young Suave helping me out. This maple's gotta go. It's on a not too busy street, lots of drop zone, easy to chop up, throw in the trailer, get on out of here. I will try to just drop piece by piece by piece, sway the tree in the direction I want it to, but let's get going. Goddamn, yeehaw! Exhilarating. Wow. How we do it. Gosh frickin' darn. And we're all done. That's 4 loads to the dump. That was a huge tree. I didn't think it was gonna be that big. That's what she said. My God. If I didn't have young Rico Suave over here, I'd be toast. I'd be dead. I'd be passed out here. I'd be shriveled up like James and the Giant Peach. But yeah. Law and order. We do it right, but we'll do stupid jobs. But we'll do it right, even though they're dumb. See you next time. Hey, what do you say? Like and subscribe?
Yeah.
Well, you gotta say it.
Comment, like, and subscribe so that we can continue making new content.
Wow. She already got it dialed in. See ya.